Look, people are just relentless in their quest to find out what is happening behind companies' closed doors. One thing is for sure, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may not have much to offer, and maybe that is why people are digging deeper to find something we have been asking for a long time. And maybe this one feature will be showcased for sure. Like one feature will be showcased like there is no tomorrow. I can guarantee you that. And let's find out what this is. Before that, here are some leaks that are making headlines right now. Seamless updates. According to the latest leak, that is a new feature that will be coming to your Galaxy S25 Ultra. But what is it? Well, it turns out a lot of people are addicted to their phones and they can't put it down. Your update will be installed on a partition, meaning you can use your phone while your phone is being updated. However, you still have to restart it in order to finish the installation. And if that is you, the addiction to your social media and to your phone, then this feature is invaluable, obviously, for you. Then we have someone who has gone in deep and obtained the S25 Ultra core files to find camera sensors that will be used in that phone. Yes. Okay, to be specific, here we go. The main camera of the S25 Ultra is still expected to have the 200 megapixel ISO HP2. The 3 telephoto is reported to have the same 12 megapixel than last year. As for the 5 telephoto, it will have the 50 megapixel, and the front is reported to have the 12 megapixel, both of which are again the same as the predecessor. So the only reported change really is the ultra wide camera. According to the one who digged in deep, his name is Assemble Debugs. His findings are for the S25 Ultra, it will feature the ISO cell, okay, I'm just going to put this on the screen, as the ultra wide sensor, which is thought to be the GN3. And that is a 50 megapixel sensor with an optical size of 1/1.57 inch. And of course, we have some more leaks. We have a brighter screen, 3000 nits, I believe, faster storage, different colors, and oh yes, a new chip. Maybe there's something I missed. But hold on, hold your horses. Here is the interesting part, and stick with me. Apple, yes, you heard correctly, again, stick with me. Apple seems to be the first publicly traded company that is on track to exceed a market cap of $4 trillion US. 4 trillion. And this is down to investors betting on AI, in particular Apple Intelligence. And they obviously have not used Apple Intelligence, otherwise they wouldn't be betting on this so high. But why is this important to the S25 Ultra? Well, I guess you see where this is going. In order to become a more valuable company, i.e. Samsung, you simply bet on AI. Because when you do that as a company, the investors will bet on AI, which will inflate your market cap, i.e. Apple. And this will be the main feature of the Galaxy Unpacked event, whether that be the glasses, the ring, or in this case, the phone. Look, I have seen reports that the new features, or one of the new AI features of the S25 Ultra, can help you to pick out what to wear every single day when you go out or you simply go on the street. And if that is what you need, okay, look, I'm not saying all is lost, but will this make me spend $1,500 or more for a premium device? Not for me. I wouldn't probably buy it, but let's see what is coming our way. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really interested in your comments because they simply make my day.